Hi everyone, firstly my warm greetings to all and I welcome all you to my YouTube channel ROC, Rock on Code guys. And if you are new here, please like, share and subscribe. I would really appreciate your effort. Hi everyone, I welcome all you to my JavaScript tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about firstly what is JavaScript, what is the scope of JavaScript and where it can be used. In order to get into the things, let's get started guys. Hi everyone, firstly what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language for web pages where you can update and change both HTML and CSS content via manipulating and validating the data. And another thing, while not coming to the particular definition, like some people says that is a client-side programming language. We can call that as a client-side programming language because it allows the user to interact with the web pages and helps you to change in a particular manner of dynamic changes. And the one more good thing with this thing is like it is an object, it is having the properties of object oriented capabilities, and it can be typed both using dynamical and static pages. And apart from that, some people says like whenever you just run the code in a particular choice, like they think user may see the JavaScript code as well. No, it's not like that. It's your choice. Like whenever you want to deal with such kind of things, it depends upon you. Like in order to overcome this solution, they also have this thing. You can see like some people thinks that the JavaScript programming is only for the front end, and in order to work upon the back end, they will just go for some other languages like Ruby, PHP, Python with another frameworks, etc. But it's in order to overcome these solutions, we can do both backend programming for the JavaScript also. But how? Let's get. You can see Node.js. Node.js is recently having the growth in a very high manner, which can help you to do the server-side programming for JavaScript. Earlier what it was done, like whenever you just make the front end part, they would wrap the queries in the SQL and just send the and the request from PHP or Python or any Java web frames, and after that they will just got the revert back of that request. But nowadays it's not something like that. In order to do the backend part also, they are using this JavaScript in the format of Node.js, where you can achieve the properties of server side also. And no, it's not. JavaScript has been evolved a lot. If you just check this out, you can see like most recently they have been developed. Everyone are working on this thing called React. It is a JavaScript library which was developed by the Facebook, and which is having a wide range of acceptabilities and a wide range of users. Using this React, you can just develop a web frame where it can be most interactive with the user and the particular web designer. And not only this React JavaScript library, it is a cross-platform where you can just build pages for web and also build application for your mobile phone. And for that particular purpose, you need to learn about React Native, which is for mobile application. And the one more framework which is most gaining a popularity nowadays is Angular. The common difference between like the React and Angular will do the same thing, but the things like what was the differentiate between these two things is like where this JavaScript is a library and this Angular is a framework with having some extra capabilities than the Angular, which was developed by the Google. And let's just check it out, like which companies are using these softwares. Like if you just go and check in the Google, you can see like which companies are using the React.js. You can see Netflix, Yahoo, Khan Academy, Dropbox. Like these are the popular MNCs which are using React as in the company libraries and wherever they want to build some kind of web pages and everything. And while you just going to the Angular, you can just check it out, like you can see McDonald's, Cisco Solutions, Pattern, Microsoft, Autodesk. These are the companies which were using Angular as their frameworks for developing new things. And there is one more JavaScript library like which is upgaining more popularity, that is JavaScript framework like Vue.js. It is also framework where you can just do animate the things and play with the pages, right? It is also dynamically typing. Like these are the few things, like top few things while you're coming to learn about JavaScript. Other than JavaScript, you can learn about these frameworks and library functions which will give you to learn a great heights in your JavaScript. And I want all of you to just stay tuned to these things and just follow the things what I'm just going to do in these tutorials. I will just start from scratch. Okay, bye guys, see you in the next video.